I am going to discuss about the genetic transformation using TI plasmid manipulation of gene expression in plants. First of all, what is TI plasmid? TI plasmid is tumor inducing plasmid that is present in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens bacteria, and this bacteria is present in the root of the plant, and this bacteria acts as a vector. So this TI plasmid that have tDNA regions, Vir regions, origin of replication, a region enabling conjugative transfer, genes for the catabolism of opines. So this tDNA, when that is integrated into the plant genome, then the expression of tDNA is occurred in the plant genome, and after the expression of tDNA, protein is produced. So this protein is responsible for the production of hormones and metabolites. So I would like to discuss about the how this tDNA is transferred from the plasmid to the plant cell. So this circle represents the plasmid, and this region is the tDNA, and this region shows the Vir region. So when the wounded plant cells release phenolic substances and sugars that are sensed by Vir-R, which activates Vir-G by phosphorylation. So this, after the activation of Vir-R through the phenolic compounds and sugars that is produced from the wounded plants, Vir-G is activated through the phosphorylation, and this Vir-G activates all the genes of the Vir regions like Vir D1, D2, Vir E2, Vir F, Vir B, and this Vir D1 and D2 acts as the production, protection and the transportation of the tDNA into the plant genome. So this tDNA that is associated with Vir D2 is also associated with the Vir E2, and all this complex is transported into the plant cell through the help of the Vir B, and here Vir B acts as the transfer apparatus. So these complexes is transferred into the plant cell, and in the plant cell plant protein is present, and this plant protein, when associated with this complex, here Vir E2 that coats the tDNA. So the tDNA becomes coated with Vir E2. So this plant protein that is complexed with the Vir D2 or Vir E2, and all these complex is transported into the nucleus of the plant with the help of the nuclear pore complex. So this nuclear pore complex is very active, weighted in this process. So after the integration of this tDNA into the plant genome, then this tDNA is expressed in the plant genome, and after the expression, protein is produced, and hormones is also biosynthesized in this way. So hormones and metabolites like opines is produced in the plant cells. So crown gall diseases is occurred in the plant cell by this way. Thank you.